Now, I request Nurulain to come on stage and share with us few words about this special occasion.
Honorable Chief Guest, my respected teachers and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. There are so many great personalities, but I like Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, a person who was not only man, but a whole institution of truth, honesty and sincerity. He was born a rich and admirable education from abroad. He proved his worth as a successful lawyer and stepped into the field of political. Quaid-e-Azam observed the miserable condition of Muslims and decided to work from them. He presented his case of two-nation theory, particularly that each corner of subcontinent resounded as a single voice. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बट के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान. It was the result of this extraordinary leadership that on 23rd March 1940, the Pakistan resolution was presented at the place of Minar-e-Pakistan, Lahore. At the Pakistan movement entered into a new phase. The sound to get Pakistan converted into the utmost passion of the Muslims community in the subcontinent. Pakistan का मतलब क्या? La ilaha illallah. Thank you so much.